This video is brought to you by Team the Traveler game. It's a cool ultimate puzzle game designed with high-end 2D graphics. And I'm pretty sure you will definitely love this game. So download it now and enjoy. Link in the description down below. So what makes a power bank so powerful? Obviously the capacity, charging speed and intelligent power management. So here it is, the Debock Star Power Bank. Personally I feel this is something spectacular. So what's up guys, this is Femil and welcome to FMJ Tech. Before we get started, let's unbox this package and see what we are getting inside. This product comes in a good looking package and inside the box you will get the Debock power bank, an instruction manual and finally the charging cable. Alright, this product is available on Amazon for a price of Rs 799 and as always the best buy links is in the description down below. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the design. Here the Debock brings a crazy special design and this is the first thing I probably noticed. And on the top side we can see a power button for battery indicator lights, and on the left hand side we can see a LED torch and a micro USB port for charging the power bank. On the bottom side we can see 3 USB output ports so that we can charge 3 devices at the same time, and that's a extremely useful feature. Okay, next up I want to talk about the battery capacity. The major thing, yes, here in this power bank Debock brings a 10,000 mAh battery, which is some sort of a great thing at this price range. Okay, moving ahead, next is the charging speed. So here Debock uses fast charging technology over the 3 USB outputs. So this power bank not only charges 3 devices at the same time but also keep charging all the devices as fast as possible, and it has been working perfectly for me. Next is intelligent power management, and yes, this makes the Debock Star a lot more safer. So here we have overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over current protection and short circuit protection. So with this Debock power bank, all the devices are extremely safe, and a good thumbs up for the Debock for this. So besides all these things, we have a torch, and it's a feature that is not absolutely needed for all, but it is nice to have. More features means more users. So what you have to do is just double tap the power switch and it will light up. So that's it, Debock Star Power Bank. If you guys want to read more about this power bank, simply visit my website fmjtech.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. So with that being said, my name is Femil and I will catch you in the next video.